Hello everyone, I am Vinita Vittal Gujran back with another video. So today's topic is kind of really interesting because I'm very excited about it too. Okay, so yeah, let me tell you what the topic is about. Okay, what this today's video is all about. It is about your traveling destination. So in this video we are gonna see what what Angel wanna tell you regarding your traveling destination, or else where you will visit, or you will go for a trip, or something like that, like a place which is related to some which would be of some importance. Okay, let me put it that way. And I have also made a list of places, okay, in this box. ठीक है, मतलब मैंने खुद ने बनाया है. And there are some places, okay, like oops, okay, so I would just shuffle it and pick some, okay, for each pile. Okay, and all the places, I have done channeling. Okay, I just sat down and I was like doing my routine channeling, and I just told angels, hey angels, please give me some names. And first of all, I told my friends, my really close friends, to suggest me some place name or some tourist place name, whichever they feel like, whichever. Okay, so I took all those names and then I sat down, I did the channeling thing, and then whichever resonated, whichever came down, I took it and I just wrote it down, and it is in front of you. Okay, it would be in front of you soon. Okay, so without any further delay, guys, let us get started. Hey beautiful souls, before starting the video, I was just guided to let you know this. Okay, so my angels told me to show this. Okay, so I have also done Reiki healing. Okay, like Reiki, God Goddess Archangel Reiki level 1 and level 2. I have also done Reiki I have also done Karuna Reiki and Narayana Reiki. Okay, so I just wanted to tell this, that if you need any kind of energy healing, okay, in one or the other form, okay, so you can contact me via on Instagram or Facebook, or email. My phone number, everything is given below, okay, in the description column. So you can just contact me for if there is any issues that you know, whether in your relationships or your health, your your finances, or any or else family harmony. Okay, so any sector of your life, okay, healing, energy healing is must and can create miracle in your life. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so let us get started with the video. So these are your 3 piles, okay, your 3 options, okay, for this video. Okay, this is option 1. Okay, I guess I don't need, yeah, I guess it is visible, guys, right? So this is option 1, option 2 and option 3. Okay, these are like, I have made it from ice cream stick. Okay, and so yeah, just close your eyes, ask your God, Goddess and Archangels, your guardian angels, your higher self, your spirit guides, okay, what they want to guide you regarding your traveling destination. I'm so excited for this video, guys, let me tell you that. Okay, so just go what your intuition is telling you. Okay, and you can for your guidance, you can watch the whole video if you like to, for entertainment purpose. But one more thing, guys, whatever messages you are getting in this video, please take it responsibly. Okay, sweethearts? So yeah, without any further delay, let us get started. Hello pile 1. So whoever has chosen this cute smiley, okay, so let us see how your traveling destination is going to be, and what are your traveling destinations, and what you're going to learn from it, and message regarding it. I'm so excited. Let us see. Pile 1. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 1, whoever has selected this pile, please guide us how their traveling destination is going to be, and what guidance we want to give them for their traveling journey. This is timeless pick a card reading, guys. So whenever you're watching this after 10 years, or like even in 2030, okay, this reading is applicable, because you will just watch this video whenever your angels want to see you. Okay, if you're watching this video, so there is no coincidence, and nothing is a coincidence. I believe that. Let me just remove all the First we'll see the tarot cards. Four of Michael. Wow, okay. Inside that comes come from quiet meditation, the need for more sleep or time off, seek relief from stress. Okay, so for this pile I can feel that you guys are kind of really stressed out because of might be your work, your career, your academic thing, and it's just that you want peace. Okay, and that is the reason that you will travel. Okay, that is what I can feel. Okay, reason for your traveling would be you want that peace. Okay, you want that shift in your life. Okay, and especially that energetical shift. Okay, that is what I'm feeling. Okay, so guys, and takes your traveling would be, okay, whatever your traveling destinations are, you will travel with ease. Okay, I'm even getting that, like it will give you a refreshment. Okay, it's not going to be kind of hectic or thing like that. It's going to be really refreshing. Okay, that is what I'm hearing, refreshing. Okay, so Page of Ariel. Wow, reliable, clever, educated, balanced. Okay, an excellent opportunity will be offered to you, scholarships or the pursuit of calculation, time to get to work. I'm also feeling that this pile, you guys can travel for work. Okay, you might get a flight in economic, for something traveling. Okay, and I'm also getting that your traveling, okay, your traveling would be financially it would be paid by someone else. Okay, like what we tell a sponsor. Okay, like your traveling would be sponsored. Okay, and it might be especially regarding work. Okay, it's like due to your work you would get an opportunity to travel your distant traveling spot. Okay, the Wheel. Wow, Archangel Jeremiah. New beginning, end of delays, a change in direction that offer happiness. Wow, guys, for some, okay, not everyone, but for some, I'm getting that there are chances that you might settle down in a foreign country. Okay, like this is India. Okay, like wherever you are, okay, wherever your your country is, you will settle outside the country. Okay, I'm getting that range. Okay, it's like wide. Okay, your reach is very wide. Okay, so it's not that you will travel within the country, you will explore outside the nation. Okay, whatever your nation is, you will travel outside the nation. That is what I'm getting very clearly. Okay, and I'm also getting that with this traveling, okay, wherever you will travel, you will get very new opportunities, guys. Okay, see, it's like some people just travel for fun and they just spend, but in your case, I'm getting no matter where you go, you will earn something. Okay, you will earn your finances will be boosted, and you will enhance your communication, and you will expand your group circle. Okay, so it's like I'm getting the word expanding. So wherever you go, wherever you travel, it's like you will expand. Okay, in terms of finances, in terms of your circle, even in terms of your personal life. Okay, so I'm getting that, expansion. Okay, there will be a huge expansion. Yeah. Okay, 9 of Raphael. Okay, make a wish, dream become reality. A joy time of life. Wow, this pile, guys, I'm really feeling that you guys are ambitious. Okay, see, it's like, if you have a dream, you don't have just one destination. You're traveling your travel destination, you have like 5 to 10 of them. Okay, it's like I want to visit there, I want to visit there, see, it can be any places, but it's like you love to travel and you want to travel. Okay, that is what I'm getting. And I'm feeling that whatever you have thought, okay, like whatever you have thought that what your traveling destination should be, where and all you should travel, you will do that. Okay, you will travel those places, and you will sit and you will think, hey, I have achieved whatever I wished for. Okay, wherever I wish to travel. And Page of Raphael, how cute is that? A new emotional situation message regarding relationships or social invitations. Greet intuitive sides. Wow, guys, I told you, you people are someone, who will not sit quietly. Okay, मतलब चुप नहीं बैठना, हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो करते रहना है. So वही मैं बता रही हूँ ना कि अगर आप फॉरेन भी जाओगे ना कहीं पे, आउट ऑफ योर कंट्री, आउट ऑफ योर नेशन, यू विल मेक श्योर यू मतलब कुछ कर लोगे उसका. ठीक है, मतलब शांत तो नहीं बैठना. ओके, वहाँ पे भी जाके तुम कुछ अपना इनकम अर्न करोगे, भले वो स्टडीज़ के लिए जा रहे हो या तो एनी मतलब कुछ करियर. ओके, वेर एवर यू गो you will also make sure that you boost your career, guys. Okay, that is, I'm getting very strongly. And for some, I'm also getting that when you will have a foreign traveling, there are chances, okay, like I'm getting it 60% of you. Okay, there are chances that via traveling you would meet your love of your life. Okay, I'm just hearing this thing. Okay, so this is not for everyone, guys, but most of you guys. Okay, so might happen that you have met your partner while traveling. Okay, or else you might meet your partner while you're traveling. Okay, like कहीं पे जा रहे हो या कहीं से आ रहे हो तभी तो मिलोगे उनसे. ठीक है, so let us see what further messages, what blessings you are gonna receive, or what good things that is gonna you will experience while traveling. Okay, what adventure they're going to see. Let us see. I'm kind of excited, guys, I swear. Oops, I just... Okay, self-realization. Don't be afraid to fly solo. Wow. Guys, you guys can, it's like you guys will travel alone. Okay, might be some of you are kind of travel blogger, like what we call it. I don't know whether we call this exact word, like travel blogger. Okay, so it's like you have that wish, like I will travel alone. मतलब मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं, मैं खुद कर लूँगी. I don't need anyone, I'll do it on my own. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. And even while traveling, I'm telling you guys, आप शांत नहीं बैठोगे while traveling. Okay, so मतलब जो भी destination आप जाओगे, you will have that self realization, even with the 4 of Michael, that means 4 of sword. Okay, so you will मतलब खुद को invent करोगे, you will innovate yourself in one or the other way while traveling. Okay, whenever you will visit a place, you will make sure that you learn something, you realize something about you. Okay, so that is the blessing and good thing that is coming your way, guys, while you are traveling. Okay, that is very strongly that I'm getting. Okay, go with the flow. Let things happen. Let me keep it there, because with the relationship card, I'm kind of connecting with that, that energy that, hey, doesn't matter what past relationships you had, but whatever is coming in front of you, just take it. Okay, just go with the flow. If you are getting an opportunity to visit somewhere, to visit some place, okay, even for your studies, go ahead, guys. Don't look back, like, you know, how it will happen, when it will happen. Don't put yourself in such circumstances and in such situations. Okay, everything is going to happen with the perfect timing, you know, and everything. Okay, just it would be just perfect. Okay, so don't put yourself in some kind of circumstances, because angels are telling you just go with the flow and they will take you everywhere where you want to go. Okay, so let us see what next message you are receiving for your traveling destination or for your traveling journey. Okay, wow, birthing a new age, guys. A new beginning is coming so strongly for you guys. Even, I guess, already a new emotional situation. See, a new beginning, you know, something new. So much of new thing and new beginning here also. So, you know, guys, while traveling, okay, you might receive an opportunity that might change your life. Okay, might be in terms of relationship or in career, these two. Okay, career or relationship. Okay, that is love relationship. Okay, so it might, I told you already that for some you might meet your love of your life while you're traveling. Okay, and you know, while and this traveling I'm getting, like, not just India, but you know, it's like a new place. Okay, it's not the birthplace. Okay, it is something different from your birthplace. Okay, from some far place from your birthplace. Okay, so that is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, so new beginning. Nice. Mint taken. Longing for home, belonging, the original light worker. Okay, so in this pile, you know, I'm kind of feeling that in this pile there might be travel bloggers and healers. Okay, but not, you know, like 10% healer होंगे जिसने ये pile choose किया है, but you know, it's more kind of travelers. Okay, I'm getting that, you know, it's like you guys are kind of extrovert. Okay, you love meeting people, you love talking to others. Like, you know, अगर कोई कुछ if someone says something to you, like, you know, their life story or things like that, you will be more than happy to enjoy it. Okay, to listen to their story. Okay, so you are kind of people, you know, where you like to explore and, you know, connect people, connect the world. Okay, so let us see what other message angels want to give you regarding your traveling life. Okay, your traveling journey or your traveling aspect of your life. Okay, then we'll see the places. I'm so excited for that. I literally took, you know, like almost the whole, not whole day, but almost the half day to make it. Okay, let's see one, just single card. Improving health. Wow, so cute. Yeah, okay, so angels are telling you that, you know, guys, your health is going to improve. It's like, you know, what I'm getting is your mental health. Okay, I'm getting that your mental health will be more improved. Okay, because see, while you will traveling with this four of Michael card, okay, no doubt that while traveling your health is going to be improved. Okay, because you will get that mental peace. It's like you will live your dreams. Okay, and if I'm just hearing this, if in case you are thinking of travel blogging, just do it. Do not stop, just do it. Okay, and if you have started travel blogging and you have stopped it, don't stop, sweetheart. I know in the current situation, in this COVID situation, it's like kind of, you know, difficult to travel and all, but once the situation is stable, just do it, guys. Do not stop. Okay, and take all the necessary precautions that is required. Okay, so now let us see what your, I don't know what to say, but what your travel destinations can be or could be, or, you know, you really want it to be. Ta-da! I'll just, so that I cannot see the places. Okay. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Pile 1. What and all places there are possibilities of them to travel. It could be anything, the travel destination, the place that is connected to them, and the places they should visit or they can visit, whatever that is connected to them. Please bring it out. Okay. Let us see one by one. Okay, there are too many. Okay, so it's okay. So okay, Bora Bora. I don't know which place is this. I have no idea, guys. But one of my friends suggested this name, so I just took it, and I was drawn to take this name. So Bora Bora. If you guys know, you can comment me below that where where is this place. Okay, and Mauritius, then Spain. What is this? Santorini, Greece. Okay. Plague. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Please forgive me. Okay. Japan, Australia, Saudi Arabia. Okay, someone is going to travel for their work. China, Haridwar. Okay, no doubt. Peace. Germany, Turkey, Varanasi. There are healers, there are spiritual people in this pile too. Philippines, Stonehenge. There are spiritual people in this group, in this pile, guys. Jaipur. I told you, you guys are travelers. I mean, like, you love traveling. Mumbai, South Africa. Okay, I'm sorry if you can't see it. Okay, South Africa, then Myanmar, France, Singapore, Hawa Mahal, Udaipur. Okay, and Sudan. Okay, so these are the places, okay, whatever places are, there are possibilities that you like, passionately want to go, or else there are chances that these not all of them, but some place are of importance to you, or else there are chances that you have already traveled this place. Okay, so it's like there is connection in one or the other way. Okay, so yeah, that's all, guys. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, because बहुत मेहनत करी है. Okay, so with lots and lots of love, thank you so much. I hope you feel connected in some way and take all the positivity that has been shared in this video in my channel. Okay, so thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for showering so much of love and support to me, my channel. Okay, a hearty thank you. Okay, so bye bye, guys. See you soon. Okay, very soon. Okay, be in touch. Like, keep supporting, and I love you all. Okay, bye bye, lovely souls. Thank you. Hello, pile 2, whoever has chosen this option. Okay, heart 1. Okay, so let us see how your traveling destination, how your traveling journey is going to be, what angels want to guide you regarding your traveling journey, and what and all places you're gonna visit, or possibilities you will visit, or you want to visit. Okay, and what other guidance angel wanna give you. Okay, so let us know in detail. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Pile 2, whoever has chosen Pile 2, what guidance you would like to give them regarding their traveling journey. their travel destination, what you want to tell them, any messages that we want to convey, kindly convey via this cards. This or better. Thank you. So first let's see what your tarot cards want to tell. Okay. Perspective. Okay, there is a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different. Okay, so for your traveling journey, for your traveling life, okay, angels want to tell you that think out of the box. Okay, when you will think out of the box, there are chances that you will get certain opportunities where you will get a chance to visit somewhere, okay, like your desired place. Okay, so I don't know, I'm kind of hearing Manali, guys. Okay, so you might want certain like you have some wish regarding Manali. Okay, so I'm just hearing that. Okay, so angels are telling you that change your point of view, like think out of the box. Okay, when you will think differently in a different manner, okay, there are possibilities that you will meet certain opportunities in your life, okay, where you will get to travel, or there are chances that I'm also getting that, guys, whenever you will travel, okay, see, whenever you travel, okay, you not all the cultures are same in all the places. Okay, so don't don't criticize anyone's culture, okay, no matter where you go, because everyone is different, every place is different, every culture is different. Okay, so respect that, sweethearts. Okay, Epiphany. Okay, I'm getting this. Joy through spiritual growth. Be a light to others. Answer that comes through meditation. Okay, guys, with this with this pile, I'm just getting the message that before traveling outside your outer world, travel within yourself. This is what I'm feeling. Okay, before traveling outside, travel within yourself. Okay, this is what I'm the way Archangel Raphael is holding this lamp and moving ahead. Okay, so I'm with this, I don't know why I'm very strongly getting inner work. Okay, start doing your inner work, guys. Okay, it's like I'm also getting that you will know yourself. मतलब अपने अंदर travel करोगे, guys, तुम लोग like something very spiritual, मतलब बहुत strongly you guys are very spiritual, मतलब like बहुत strong connection है एक spirit world के साथ. Okay, मतलब बहुत strongly feel हो रहा है मुझे वो चीज़. ठीक है, so you guys are very strongly connected to the spirit world. And you know what, guys, before traveling to the outer world, okay, what I'm getting is you will travel within yourself, and that is the most important thing to do. Okay, it's like you will know yourself, you will travel within yourself. That is what I'm strongly getting, guys. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं अभी यार, मतलब बहुत strongly feel हो रहा है वो चीज़. Okay, so Knight of Michael. Okay, strong, committed, intellectual, diligent. Time to move quickly. Okay, choose logic over emotion. Sudden changes. Okay, sweethearts. Here what I'm getting is you guys, आपके लिए जो traveling होगा ना बहुत quick होगा. Okay, it's not gonna be like you have planned something for months and then you will go and visit there. No, you have been manifesting this place, okay, since a very long time, and you know like matlab, I'm sorry, I'm saying it opposite, okay. It's like, it's like see, you are manifesting this place, okay, but that plan would be quick, okay. See, it's like you really want to visit this place like really badly, okay, and you have it thought even in your dreams that you will get such opportunity to visit that place, okay, that particular place that you are dreaming of or you have dreamt of, okay. So there will be a क्विक मूवमेंट, ओके, मतलब बहुत क्विक मूवमेंट होगा, मतलब बहुत सडन ट्रैवलिंग होगा गाइस, ठीक है. देयर वुड बी अ सडन ट्रैवलिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस, ओके. Page of Ariel, lovely. Even pile 1 got this card. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you, scholarship or the pursuit of education. Time to get to work. Okay, even in this pile, with this pile, but for this pile I'm getting it that that you guys can travel for education, okay. There are more chances of you guys traveling for education, and wahan pe bhi na that it's like you will side by side also you will start earning with a part-time job, okay, and you will be more responsible, more see, also here you got the word committed, okay. So you will be very committed towards your education, towards your work, okay, and you will learn how to delegate work, okay, while studying and things like that, okay. So Page of Raphael, gentle, loving, dreamy. Even pile 1 got this card, right? Okay, might be you guys have been confused with pile 1 and pile 2 guys, okay. There are chances, okay. So a new emotional situation, message regarding relationship or social invitations, great intuitive insights, okay guys. So pile 2, there are chances of you meeting a person while traveling, okay, who will provide you the emotional support, okay. A good friend, what I'm getting is good friend. For pile 1 I got something else, okay, but for you what I'm getting is a very good friend, okay. While traveling you will meet a very good friend of yours, okay. That relationship will be of very importance to you, okay, and it's kind of a soul connection guys, okay. This is something, let me tell you guys, this pile is spiritual, okay. Like whoever has chosen this, you guys are spiritual, okay. So it's like you believe in angels, in soulmates or soul, a soul family, okay, spirit world, okay. So you have a good connection with the spirit world as well, okay. So angels are telling you that you will meet someone special that is connected to you from your past life, okay. That is what I'm getting, okay. So let us see what further message, what experience you're gonna gain while traveling, okay, or what blessing you're gonna receive while traveling or through your traveling journey. Oops, I'm so sorry, I'm again holding it ulta. Owl, follow your intuition. I told you this guys is intuitive, okay. मतलब बहुत spiritual हो तुम लोग, okay. So guys, angels are telling you that follow your intuitions, okay. There are chances that you will receive certain messages that hey, you are receiving an opportunity to travel. Don't ignore those intuitions, okay, because I'm just hearing that sometimes, okay, not every time you guys are spiritual, but sometimes you end up ignoring ignoring your intuitions, and then you'll be like, arey yaar, matlab why didn't I hear my intuitions, why did I ignore that that thing, okay. So that thing I'm just getting that, okay. So don't ignore your intuitions, because angels will already guide you that hey, you're going to receive certain opportunity, don't miss it, okay. So I'm just hearing that, okay. Don't ignore those intuitions that will guide you, okay. Dragon, discover your courage, okay. So guys, with the traveling, your courage is going to be strengthened, okay. मतलब जो भरोसा, जो courage, I'm also getting the lion energy, okay, the courage that you have, okay, that is going to be strengthened, okay, your self confidence is going to be boosted, okay, you will be more kind of self more kind of independent, self reliant, okay, and committed as well. Okay, so now let us see what further message you have got regarding your traveling journey, your travel life. Take a break. Okay, a life work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. So, sweethearts, for you, traveling is necessity. Okay, so it's important for you right now to take a break and go out somewhere. Okay, I know currently this the COVID situation is going on, so if you can't travel far places, at least you can travel your nearby garden. Okay, at least the places that heals you. Okay, some nature places that I'm just getting place filled with nature. Okay, more of greenery kinds. Okay, see, I told you, greenery, creating heaven on earth, it's happening. Okay, so I'm just getting more, you will travel, like more greenery place, okay, like mountains and such places, okay, where there is more exposure of nature. Okay, that is what I'm getting very clearly. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what are the messages that you want to give regarding the travel life to fight? No. Okay, but this card, guys, I'm getting is okay. I'm just feeling that it's your habit to say a no. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Okay, because see, sometimes what happens is someone gives you a much better opportunity, but you will be like, hey, no, I'm comfortable with where I am. I don't want something new. Okay, I'm like, you guys are kind of settled. Okay, I'm just getting that settled energy. Okay, so angels are telling you that don't be the settled one. Okay, when you will explore sorry guys. Okay guys, so I was telling you that that you guys are kind of settled. Okay, so angels want to tell you that that be in the energy. Okay, like cheer up. Okay, because when you will travel, you will experience more miracles. Okay, I'm also getting that you will experience more your courage, your personality, your confidence. There will be no overall development in your personality. Okay, so angels want to tell you, don't just stick with one place. Okay, they want to tell you that, hey, you need a break, just travel. Okay, so let us see what all places you want to travel, or you can travel, or you might get certain opportunities to travel these places. Okay, so let us see, sweethearts. Okay, I'll just... Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, guardian angels of you, which all places they would travel, please guide us. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so Tokyo, Africa, Isha Foundation. Okay, this is something interesting. Canada, Romania, London. Okay, nature area. I told you, right? Nature. You would love to visit place that that involves nature. Okay, nature would be of importance to you guys. Okay, Santorini, Greece. Nainital, Positano, and it's in Italy. Okay, Australia, beach area, again nature. Okay, like places that like you love visiting beaches. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Victoria Falls, Malaysia. Then okay, Golden Temple. Okay, Havana, that is in Cuba. South Africa, California, then Alaska, Bali, that is in Indonesia. Okay, so these are the places where you will travel, or there are possibilities that you can travel, or you have already traveled, or there is some kind of connection with this place. Okay, either you want to visit them, or there is some kind of connection, guys. Okay, it can be in any form. Connection can be in any form, but there is some kind of connection with this place. Not everything, because as this is general reading. Okay, so there is group energy. Okay, so take what resonates to you. Okay, sweethearts, so yeah, that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and thank you so much for showering so much of love to my channel and to my video. Thank you for all the support that you lovely souls give me. Okay, thank you so much. I can't thank enough. Okay, so I will keep spreading this positivity, guys. Just take all the positivity that you receive from this video, from my page. Okay, so with lots of love, lots of positivity, and lots of healing energy. Okay, so see you soon, guys. Meet you soon in another video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you truly did, so please do like, share, and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Okay, so see you soon, lovely souls. Bye bye. Hello, pile 3, whoever has chosen this option. Okay, so the stars one. Okay, let us see how your traveling destination and how your traveling journey is going to be. Okay, so let's get started. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 3, how their traveling journey is going to be throughout that lifetime, and what you want to guide them in the current situation regarding their traveling life. What you want to guide them. Please guide us with clarity. Let us see what your tarot cards want to guide you regarding your traveling journey, your traveling life. Leap of faith, new beginning. Believe in yourself, listen to your heart, do what gives you joy. Okay, guys, so like traveling is going to be a new beginning for you guys. Okay, and angels are telling you to have that leap of faith. Okay, because I'm just hearing that some of you really want to travel a lot, like passionately, but you kind of think, I don't have that much enough of budget, my family doesn't allow me, or I won't get the leave from my office and all that thing. Okay, angels are telling you to have that leap of faith, because just what you want, all you have to do is just manifest. Okay, rest all the things would be taken care of by by the universe. Okay, and I'm also getting a strong connection with animals. Okay, like a very good strong connection. Okay, so let me just lower the camera, guys, so that you can see cards clearly. Okay, so let us see the next card. Decision. Okay, 2 major arcanas. Release yourself from that which holds you back, a need to detox, unnecessary worry based on lack of self-confidence. Okay, lovely souls. So even here angels told you to keep that leap of faith. I already told you guys, you guys are kind of be in that mentality, you won't be able to travel because also because that is happening because you have that lack of confidence within yourself. Okay, so what you need to do is that enhance your self confidence. Okay, improve your self confidence. Okay, so at that time every obstacle that is in front of you would after that you will not even see it as an obstacle. Okay, so work upon your self-confidence, guys. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Work upon your self-confidence, because it's like you are binding yourself in this cage. Okay, even with the leap of faith card, I just told you are in the lack of mentality that you won't be able to travel the world, you won't be able to travel the places that you badly want to travel. Okay, it is because angels are telling you, hey, you know what, you can do it. Okay, see, the cage is actually open. Okay, I don't know whether it is visible to you or not, but the cage is open. Okay, but you are this bird who have decided to stay in. Okay, so angels are telling you that, hey, it's your decision. Okay, you see, there are birds who are flying. Okay, there is freedom available to you, but you are not, see, it's like you're not facing, you're facing backward. Okay, you're not even aware that the freedom has been given to you. Okay, so अपने पंख फैलाओ और उड़ जाओ, guys. Okay, so realize that what freedom you have. Okay, don't be in the lack mentality. Okay, so 3 of Raphael. Okay, lovely. So for you guys, I'm just feeling you might decide a friend travel, like a group traveling with your friends. Okay, or else you might decide, or else you're deciding right now, you're planning right now regarding certain vacation. Okay, or vacation planning is going on with your family, or like cousins or friends. Okay, someone of your age and your age group. Okay, so time to celebrate. Okay, it's like it's like a journey, guys. Okay, like you did not have that lack of faith, then you are gaining that faith, then with that you will realize your freedom and self-confidence. You will work on your self-confidence, and that will lead to even your friends will help you to enhance your self-confidence, and it's like they will push you to travel. Okay, see, friends have a major role in your life. Okay, so I'm just getting that energy, that they are the one who will say, here, let's go somewhere. Okay, it's like you won't travel much, but your friends will push you to, yaar, kahin na kahin chalte hain, aaja tu bas aaja. Okay, that kinds. King of Ariel. Okay, successful, stable, accomplished, powerful. Your plans are working and your plans are working out very well. Professional and financial success, using resources wisely. Okay, so I'm just seeing a growth in your traveling, guys. See, look at the cards. Okay, it's like from here it has started, it is growing. Okay, that is what I'm getting. And so like angels are telling you that you're traveling. Okay, the ambition, okay, you are gonna be in your previous time, okay, you are not that ambitious regarding, okay, you don't liked much traveling. Okay, it's like you kind of a homework. Okay, like you don't like to move out, or else it's like you love to be at home. Okay, you love to be at home, but with the friend circle you have started moving out, and now you kind of enjoy traveling. Okay, and even in the future, okay, it's like you will visit every places that you desire to. Okay, so that is what I'm getting very strongly. Okay, Knight of Michael. Okay, speed. Time to move quickly. Choose logic over emotions. Sudden changes. Okay, so guys, for I told you, even with the friends, okay, there will be a sudden change, sudden plan that will happen, especially regards to your friends. Okay, certain, planning would happen, traveling would happen, but it would happen a quick traveling. Okay, and I'm also hearing that you might travel via flight. Okay, it's like you love to some of you. Okay, I'm just hearing that some of your dream is to travel via aeroplane, or via air, via airway. Okay, so that is going to come true. That is what angels want to tell you guys. Okay, so let us see what experience you will gain while traveling, or what blessings you will receive while traveling. Okay, while you're traveling life. I'm again holding it ulta. I'm so sorry, guys. Cheer up. Okay, no doubt you got this card. Live in the moment, guys. Okay, live in the moment. Don't stay in past, or don't worry about the future. Nothing is going to help. Okay, if you are staying in the past, you are reliving your past, it's gonna be of no help. And even though if you are constantly worrying about your future, even that will not give you any kind of help. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, angels are kind of, I'm just feeling that angels are holding you and kind of shaking you. Hey, cheer up, bro, just get up. Okay, it's like get up and dance, like get up and just go somewhere, just enjoy your life. Okay, Dolphin, I told you, don't worry, be happy. Why you guys are worrying so much, sweethearts? That was your circumstances that had put in you hold. Okay, so you need not be there. Okay, you can fly like a free bird. Okay, so it's like you are tying yourself out. Okay, so angels are telling you, and you are in that transformation. Okay, and you have that angelic support, guys. Okay, you believe in angels and you have that connection with them. Okay, and they are guiding you. Okay, that is what I'm getting strongly. They are guiding you, and they are telling you that don't worry about all the finances, or all the plans that is going to happen. They will take care of it, but take practical actions as well. Okay, that is required. Okay, so let us see further messages for you guys. Okay, fine, we'll take that card. The crumbling, what you are clinging on to. Okay, see what you are clinging on to, guys. What you are clinging on to. You guys, for you guys, I'm very strongly feeling that you love to travel. Okay, you have a list of places where you want to go out and just live that life, and be at peace and just travel. But somewhere you are kind of like you're tying yourself. You have that certain lack feeling that that you won't be able to travel, you won't have certain finances to travel. That thing I'm getting. But angels are telling you finance will be given to you, but have that spirit of happiness, have that spirit of being happy. See, even you got the card, be happy. Okay, that will help you to attract that kind of people in your life, and that kind of situation in your life. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. Okay, so you guys are gonna visit certain places where there is a soul connection. Okay, so you might travel places, there might chances of things happening like that. You visit a certain place and you feel like, hey, I'm just feeling that I have already visited this place. Okay, I know this place somehow. I don't know, I have never visited this place, but somewhere I'm just feeling that no, there are some chances I have seen this. Okay, so it's like you have a past life connection with that place. Okay, so if you are if you have been married to a person whose hometown is far away from yours, might be some other states, okay, or states or country, it is because you have a soul connection with that place as well. Okay, for example, if you are from north and your wife or husband is from south, okay, it has happened because you have a connection with the south, okay, that state that is in south, or particular place. Okay, there is some kind of soul connection. Okay, dear God, goddess, angels, what message you? 3. In the near future. Okay, so angels are telling you that in the near future, like it's not far, the change, ये जो transformation है ना guys, this transformation is not too far. Okay, it's in the near future. It's in the near future where you will realize within some months. Okay, you will realize when this pandemic is all kind of settled down. At that time you will pick your bag, you will just put your clothes on and just move out. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. Okay, so it's like you'll just वो बेड़िया जो बांध के रखी ना, वो just खोल के उड़ जाओगे. Okay, that is what I'm getting, and it is going to be like very very soon. Okay, you are gonna shift to a certain particular place. Okay, so where you dreamt of like very far ago that you have to visit this place, and it's like might be that place would be your work your work destination. Okay, it's like you are dreaming of that I want to work in this certain place or this particular place. Okay, so this was your overall traveling journeys reading. Okay, so let us see what all places you might travel, or you have traveled, or there are possibilities that you might travel. Okay, so let us see. Your God, goddess, archangels, guardian angels of 5-3. What all places 5-3 would travel, or there are chances that they would travel, or they might receive certain opportunities. What are those places? Kindly guide us with clarity. Okay, let us Ladakh. Okay, I will just okay, Ladakh, Varanasi, London, China, Egypt. This is interesting. Egypt, Manali. Did I tell this pile that I'm getting Manali strongly? See, Manali. Pile 1 and pile 2 didn't get Manali. Okay. So Manali, किसी का तो Manali बहुत strongly है, ठीक है? It's like it might be your wedding destination, might be your traveling destination. Traveling या wedding तो पक्का है. Okay. Thailand. Then Positano, Italy. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Okay, Spain, Scotland, Brazil, Hawa Mahal, that is in Udaipur. Okay, let me keep it here. Taj Mahal, Mumbai, Mussoorie, Shirdi. While reading I was getting Shirdi, like Sai Baba's energy. Okay, Victoria Falls, Tokyo, Haridwar, Switzerland, Canada, Brazil. Okay, I'll just remove my hand. Singapore, Poland. Okay, Vatican City. Okay, so these are your places, guys. Okay, so I hope you have seen. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this reading, guys. Okay, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for showering so much of love to my page and to me, of course. So yeah, thank you for supporting constantly, guys. I need this love and support. Okay, so meet you soon in the next video with another interesting topic, or weekly readings, and I will come up with many more such interesting and amazing topic as and when I'm guided to. Okay, so meet you soon in the next coming weekly videos, or another interesting topic, or or some general videos. Okay, so see you soon, guys. Meet you soon. Thank you so much. Love you all. Lots of love. Bye bye, lovely souls.